Hello, I'm Chris, and I'm a big fan of this game, Last Night on Earth. It's by Flying Frog Productions. It came out a while ago. As soon as I picked up the base version of the game, I loved it. I started picking up expansions, and there's a lot of expansions. I think there's about 4 major ones and then half a dozen minor expansions to the game. So by the time you have all of that, there's a lot of pieces to track, there's a lot of different boxes. I wanted to develop something that would organize it and display it a lot nicer than just all of the individual boxes stacked up in the corner. So this is the Last Night on Earth battle chest, I'll call it. It's spalted maple. All of the markings are natural to the wood. I did the name of the game in a powdered rust on top. Each of the drawers is removable, and each has a purpose. It organizes specific items. So the top drawer, it's a fairly shallow drawer, but it tracks all of the game markers and tokens that you need throughout the game. So this is something that you can sit at the edge of the play area and you have quick access to all of it. The next drawer down is the hero drawer, and I've painted all of the heroes. Had a lot of fun painting them and found it added a lot to the game to have all of these distinctly painted heroes according to the cards and the instruction booklet. So you get a lot more attached and personally invested to the heroes that are about to get killed by the zombies. And the zombies get a drawer too. All of the zombies are organized here for player 1, player 2, the feral, the plague, the behemoths, and each character has a little washer on the bottom. I attached that myself so that I could put magnets in the bottom of the drawer and keep everything well organized. It's a lot nicer to have them organized this way than to take all your nicely painted heroes and pile them up in the corner of a box. The next drawer is just cards. Nothing but cards in that drawer. A lot of different decks accumulated through the different expansions. The following drawer is your game scenarios, your hero cards, any special larger scenario tokens that you might need. The dice. And the last drawer is a larger drawer, and it holds all of the board game pieces itself, the sun tracker, and instruction books. So you've got quick reference to any of the books for any of the expansions. And that's pretty much it. I hope you like what I've done with it. Let me know your thoughts, and thanks for watching.